Best way to do SEO for YouTube videos in minutes. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords for your video titles, tags, and descriptions. Choose long-tail keywords with good reach potential and create compelling video titles with the main keyword at the beginning. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand your content and write engaging video descriptions with keywords to improve your rankings. Optimize the file name of your video with the main keyword before uploading it to YouTube. Create transcriptions and captions for your videos to improve accessibility and help YouTube understand the content better. Aim for longer videos, around 10 minutes, to provide comprehensive and valuable content to users. Increase click-through rate, center, by using attractive and relevant thumbnails, persuasive titles, and engaging video excerpts in search results. Encourage audience engagement with calls to action, CTAs, like liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing videos. Promote your channel and videos through various marketing channels, including blogs, social media, emails, and forums. Utilize end screens and YouTube cards to prompt viewers to take specific actions after watching the video. Focus on creating high-retention videos that keep viewers engaged throughout the content. Improve the production value of your videos with better equipment, lighting, and backgrounds to make them look more professional. Monitor your video analytics regularly to track the success of your YouTube SEO strategy and make necessary adjustments for improvement. Consider using YouTube SEO tools to aid keyword research, analytics tracking, and optimization efforts.